That's the money. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Nice shot. Welcome to the basement hangout. Cheers.
Salute.
Today we're going to be using the new griddle for the Weber Searwood.
Here we are.
Right now it's on sale for 150 bucks on Weber.com. I think I got it for full price, like $199, which is really upsetting.
Send him an email. Send him an email.
But we're going to test this thing out today. We're going to do Smashburgers, and we're going to use the recipe that we've been doing for a long time. I think we learned that from Bruce, your twin brother.
Yeah, so it's supposedly an old like food truck burger guy.
There's the burger, the ground beef, obviously. There's the
Lowry's
and Worcestershire sauce and cheese. So
I say Worcester because Worcestershire is always hard to say.
Let's go do it.
Basement.
All right, we're gonna fire it up first, and then start taking off the grates that it's gonna replace, because rumor has it that it takes a long time to heat up.
Yeah, it will, but it'll stay hot.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go get the burger patties ready. So let me go ahead and fire this thing up. We wanna go to level 10, because we're gonna do open air grilling with the lid up, and new feature of the Weber is you can either do a temperature with the lid closed, or you can just do 1 through 10. Remove that. All right, and that should stick right in there.
We want in the middle of the side or in the
Side. There we go.
I thought it was gonna be half, to be honest.
It's not as big as the Blackstone that you have. That's about
Right.
half the size that you have, I would say, right?
Yeah, but we normally only use half.
Is that right?
Yeah, it's the better seasoned side, the left.
All right, so we got it on. It's gonna heat up. Let's go get the burger patties ready.
Ow!
All right, all we're gonna do is for our smash burgers, we don't form patties. We just cut the ground beef inside the, what do you call this thing?
Styrofoam.
Styrofoam into squares, and then we put the squares directly on and
Put
smash.
the cubes on and smash them.
Yep, so go ahead and cut them up.
Let me line up my lines here.
Looks perfect to me. All right, now let's go take a look. The Searwood's heating up. It throws out a ton of smoke in the beginning.
Christens the whole neighborhood, really.
Yeah, everybody can smell it. That does smell good, doesn't it? We'll see how long this thing takes to heat up. Now here's the question, should we spray it with cooking oil?
Yeah, I would think so.
All right,
Or butter.
that's a good point. Let's do butter.
You got a lot of butter?
I think we have enough. We'll figure it out. All right.
Hurry, hurry!
All right, this thing is hot. It's actually hard to stand here. It's so hot. I'm surprised Bob's standing there like that. We had it at number 10. It was closed. It is super hot. We're gonna put the butter on there now
Oh,
and
you have butter.
see what happens. That's all right. You can do that.
Oh, yeah. Wow, it's vibrating for some reason.
Oh man,
Holy it's vibrating.
is it really?
Yeah. When you stick it in,
Oh my God,
right?
that is weird.
Because it's hot as
Woo! Man,
never-
that's hot.
I've never experienced that yet. How you want me to lay them out like it?
Yep.
Is that
We
wide
do
enough?
one at a time.
Let's do 2 to show the process, I guess.
All right. Me or you?
You, man.
All right.
This is your first. I guess I'll smash them for you.
That works. So we do a little bit of Worcester sauce.
Little bit.
Wash your sister sauce, followed by some Lowry's seasoning salt, followed by smash. Don't burn yourself now. There you go. Looks good.
Yeah, no stick. That was nice.
Next two.
Next 2.
She's hot.
So normally I smash them down before I put the seasoning, but it actually helped with the non-stick. So your weight's better.
Go ahead with the smash. So some people will use parchment paper, but I prefer not to have to deal with all that.
So the pre-seasoning's money, I think.
Yeah. So far I would say this is no joke.
So where'd you get that cheap spatula, by the way?
I've had this for 10 years.
There's a screw hanging out.
All busted up. I have work to do. I need a new set. Father's Day is coming up.
That's right.
If wife, honey, if you're watching this, you know what I need.
Do it.
So I will say we have a whole nother package of beef. It's not going to fit on there.
No.
So this would have to be done in 2 rounds.
Yes.
Whereas if you have the full-size Blackstone, you could do all of them at once.
That's true.
So there is a trade-off there. So we just got to pay attention to the ones that are starting to have the red juice come up to the top, and that's the indication that it's ready to flip. Smells good.
It's not blood, it's myoglobin, right?
Oh, I have no clue. Is that what it is?
That's what my dad says.
Okay.
When people don't want to eat his like super rare steaks, he's like, that's not blood.
I'm glad somebody knows.
It's myoglobin.
We just call it blood.
So I used to work the grill at Wendy's, and you got to wait till the red juice
That was
comes.
like 2 weeks ago, or?
Yeah, I'm the head grill master at the local Wendy's. We always wait till the myoglobin comes up before you flip. So I work with the head grill master was actually on house arrest, but he was in jail, but he could come cook when I was 15, and that's what he taught me. So
The myoglobin thing?
he said blood, but
Wait till it comes up? I don't think you told me that. I just kind of assumed that was made sense. What if we're all wrong?
I mean that dude knew his so
Yeah, well, there you go.
he's dead now. No.
What do you think? These ones ready to flip? See that juice right there?
This one's definitely, that one's ready.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So
that's perfect.
the key is the crust right there, that black brown.
I mean, that looks absolutely perfect.
Yeah.
What about this one?
So I would say all the original ones are ready.
Yeah, I would agree. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's called the crust.
Heck yeah.
Yeah. So this is what you can't get when you're on a grid, even with charcoal or
Yeah, exactly.
whatever.
And this one?
Yeah.
Man, that looks good.
Smells amazing. Have you ever had beef tartare?
Yeah.
Disgusting.
No like.
Yeah, me neither.
I'm a simple man. I like my burgers and my brisket and ribs.
So I bought Boar's Head American cheese about 4 years ago and it wouldn't melt, so I'm hoping they fix their issue. Because it's a little pricey, but Boar's Head is supposed to be the best, but I was very upset. But it looks better. It smells good.
All right, let's put the cheese. Shall these flip?
They're about ready.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. And the best part, in my opinion, when the cheese melts around the burger and you grab it with a spatula and it's on your burger, that's the money. Does anyone not like American cheese?
Hell no. American cheese is where it's at. I will say it's melting now. They fixed it. Boar's Head fixed it.
They fixed it, yeah.
I do love the Kraft cheese too, but we'll stick with the Boar's Head since they fixed it.
And he always buys deli American cheese. I get the cheap and normal one. The deli's better, way better. That's when you really want to impress the wife on a burger night.
Well, my wife doesn't like American cheese under any circumstances. My wife demands provolone.
My oldest son doesn't like it either. It's very
And she gets
upsetting.
provolone. So what's interesting is these melted right away. This one's almost melted, but over here, they're taking longer.
So this might be your hot spot right near the pellets?
That's definitely the hot spot. Let's go ahead and move these over. 150, 169. So yeah, these are ready.
So some people say probes are feminine, but some people use them.
I don't know who said probes are feminine. I don't know who he's listening to.
When I bust my probe out, people have told me that a lot of times.
I don't know who those people are.
There are people that don't use probes.
They may not be your friends.
They go like this. They're like, oh yeah, that's ready.
All right, shall we do our first taste test?
Yes.
All right, grab a bun. True taste test of a smash burger, despite what anybody tells you, is no fixins. It's burger, bun, cheese.
Yeah, let's toast that
If
baby.
it works like that, it's money. Everything else is just icing on the cake, right?
That's correct.
We're gonna need 2 of those.
Yes, officer. But this is what the key thing with the griddle, like I said, when the cheese melts and you put it on the goddamn burger, that's...
Yeah, I don't know what happened to this one.
I put a little one.
Oh, okay.
You know what, let's put a slice of deli American cheese, Kraft.
Just because?
Yeah, to top it
Out of
off.
oil?
So the one thing is, these aren't separated with like the plastic,
True.
but I did notice.
So you gotta stick your fingers in there.
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
God dang. Yeah, that's your bottom there. There you go.
Oh man.
Oh yeah.
All right, you go ahead and do that, because, yeah.
Oh yeah. Woo!
Nice and hot.
Damn, that's hot. Yeah. Where are we gonna put it?
In your hand.
Right here. Put it right here.
Move that cheese. There's one.
Whew. They look great.
They look amazing.
Yeah, they look. Yeah, that's the. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Nice. Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh god, yeah. Way
Oh
better
my
than,
God, dude.
Way better than Five Guys.
Holy shit, that is good.
This is the way. Anyone would love this burger. And what bun is it?
Fancy
Brioche.
brioche.
It's expensive, but that's what Chad buys.
But I gotta say, the bun is good, but any bun.
Yeah.
The burger and that
Makes it.
cheese, there's no mayo, there's no lettuce, there's no tomato, there's no ketchup.
That's a true taste.
This is freaking good.
I approve.
As do I. So
Thumbs up.
basically, when we're talking about the griddle, it's not as big as a Blackstone, so you see how many burgers you can fit on there. If you're doing a party for like 15 people, you're gonna have to do multiple rounds.
Or do singles, which don't taste as good.
But if you need one grill that's versatile and does everything, this is a nice attachment. When we go to Bob's house, we'll see the other side of the story where you've got a charcoal grill, you've got a smoker, and you've got a dedicated griddle. Super nice setup. But if you're into that, if you've got the room for that, do it. But I will say, I'm pretty happy
It's
that
bomb.
so far this thing's able to do everything.
Hot damn.
That was super good. I can't wait to have more. All right, basement hangout.
Ow!
Oh my God, this is looking like game.
Stay true. He has an angle. He has an angle.
Not good enough.
Just gonna muck it up a little more. Soldiers everywhere. You gotta go past it.
Ah! Game. 1-0 Bob.
Well done.
Basement.